With just 2 days left for the Punjab elections, there is another controversy which is also happening, and this time it seems that it is all parties versus the Aam Aadmi Party. It all started with Kumar Vishwas, former leader of the Aam Aadmi Party, raising the issue of how once Arvind Kejriwal had told him that either he will become the Chief Minister of Punjab or he will be the Prime Minister of a separate state. Of course, the insinuation was that he has sympathizers, or he is a sympathizer of the Khalistani cause. Now, after the Chief Minister of Punjab, Charanjit Singh Channi, wrote to the Union Home Ministry, things have hit the roof, with the MHA, the Home Minister, writing back and assuring that the matter will be looked into. Breaking his silence for the first time on the issue, today Arvind Kejriwal said this only shows nervousness on the part of everyone who sees AAP as a threat, which is why the Congress, the Akalis and the BJP are speaking in the same voice.
ये कह रहे हैं कि पिछले 10 साल से केजरीवाल देश के 2 टुकड़े करने का एक प्लान बना रहा है, षड्यंत्र बना रहा है कि देश के 2 टुकड़े करेंगे और उसमें से एक टुकड़े का प्रधानमंत्री मैं बन जाऊंगा। मतलब ये तो कॉमेडी है, ये तो हंसने वाली बात है। ये हो सकता है क्या? तो मैं पूछना चाहता हूं ये तो इसका मतलब मैं बहुत बड़ा आतंकवादी हो गया। तो ये इनकी सारी सिक्योरिटी एजेंसीज क्या कर रही थी? मेरे को गिरफ्तार क्यों नहीं किया? इनकी एजेंसीज क्या कर रही थी अभी तक? तो ये ऐसी हास्यास्पद बात है।
In fact, today the Congress, the BJP, the Akali Dal all demanded that action and investigation should follow on the back of what are serious charges in relation to national security.
एजेंडा क्या है इनका? और ये जो पार्टी का नाम है ना, AAP, इसी में इसकी असलियत, इसी में इसका मतलब छिपा हुआ है। AAP मतलब अरविंद एंटी पंजाब।
पहले भी उनकी इंक्वायरियां चल रही है कि उनको बाहर से फंडिंग जो आई है उसकी इंक्वायरी कुमार विश्वास ने मांगी है और कुमार विश्वास इस पार्टी का विश्वास पात्र रहा है और उन्हें सारी चीजें अंदर की पता है। और अगर वो उनका अंदर का बंदा बोल रहा है, इसका मतलब ये सीधा निकलता है कि ये मामला बहुत गंभीर है और केंद्र सरकार को गंभीरता से इसे लेना चाहिए।
क्या ये सच्चाई नहीं है? पिछले असेंबली इलेक्शंस में इन्होंने खालिस्तानी समर्थकों के साथ उन्होंने अपनी वहाँ पे रुके थे, उनके घरों में रुके थे। तो इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है, ये पहली बार नहीं कहा गया है। और आई थिंक कुमार विश्वास जी जो कह रहे हैं, वन ऑफ द फाउंडर मेंबर्स हैं, उन्होंने प्रक्रिया देखी है, उन्होंने इनका फंड रेजिंग टेक्निक देखा है और अगर वो आरोप लगा रहे हैं तो इस पर गंभीर विचार होना चाहिए।
He did want to become Chief Minister of Punjab and he did go around for about a year testing the waters. When he found he was not getting the right reaction, he stopped. But I don't know about the Indian, whether he wants to become Prime Minister. If he does, then he's a very foolish man.
The News Hour at 10, debate number 2 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
Sanju Verma, national spokesperson of BJP, continues with us. Ravi Srivastava, political analyst, is joining us. Is it a cause for worry, or should it be cause for worry for the Aam Aadmi Party now that the Home Minister has said the charges will be investigated? Ravi Srivastava.
Wonderful. It's very welcome. The charges should have been investigated long before. If you knew that he is hobnobbing with the terrorists or he is having connections with them, why the government was sleeping for last 5 years? What they were doing? Why Kumar Vishwas was silent for 5 years? Why 48 hours before the election? Fact is, all the political parties are rattled in Punjab with the AAP onslaught, and AAP is going to make inroads. They had won 24% vote in last election also, and they are going to be very strong contender this time as well.
Okay, Sanju Verma, it is that rare occurrence like Arvind Kejriwal said today कि उनको एक आदमी मिला जिसने उससे पूछा कि ये दिन देखना पड़ गया कि मोदी जी और राहुल गांधी अब एक ही टोन में बात कर रहे हैं।
पद्मजा, अरविंद केजरीवाल को जो कहते हैं ना, मुंगेरी लाल को हसीन सपने देखने की आदत है, आजादी भी है। तो अरविंद केजरीवाल कैन फैंसी हिमसेल्फ एज द नेक्स्ट चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ पंजाब और मे बी एज द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ खालिस्तान एज मेंशन्ड बाय कुमार विश्वास। आई सिंपली वांट टू से दिस, द होम मिनिस्ट्री विल इन्वेस्टिगेट द एलिगेशंस मेड बाय कुमार विश्वास। मेरा एक सवाल है, आज तक जो लोग कुमार विश्वास की दुहाई दे रहे थे। आज तक जो लोग कह रहे थे that anything that Gul Panag says is holier than thou, anything that Yogendra Yadav says is holier than thou, and we all know Yogendra Yadav, is not a BJP supporter, he's not a Sanghi, nor is Gul. जैसे ही अरविंद केजरीवाल पर आरोप लगाए गए, there is an entire ecosystem which is out to demean and malign and demoralize the likes of Kumar Vishwas rather than raising pointed questions at Arvind Kejriwal. Point number 2, चाहे allegations 5 साल या 50 सालों के बाद भी सामने आए, the law of the land says that time duration does not dilute the seriousness of the allegation.
Okay.
Point number 3 and the most relevant point, I would ask Ravi Srivastava, can you deny, this is in public domain, I want you to tell me, I challenge you, that on the 4th of February, I'm giving you the date, 4th of February 2017, Arvind Kejriwal stayed at the house of Gurvinder Singh, the leader of Khalistan Liberation Front. He stayed at his residence in Moga, after which Khalistan Liberation Front leader Gurvinder Singh fled to London. मुझे बताइए कि खालिस्तानियों के साथ इतना प्रेम क्यों है अरविंद केजरीवाल को? एंड लुक एट द ऑडेसिटी ऑफ द मैन। मैं एक स्वीट और इनोसेंट टेररिस्ट हूँ। अरे कुछ तो शर्म करिए। नाउ यू आर ट्राइंग टू रैशनलाइज टेररिज्म। आई मीन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ स्टूपिड
reply Ravi Srivastava, can this be denied?
It is absolutely right. ऐसा बहुत समय पहले गाना आया था, दुश्मन जो दोस्तों से भी प्यारा है। He is an enemy who is better than the friends. He is the one who has done wonders in Delhi, who has done the educational institutions, the hospitals, the social security system, the water, the electricity. If he is a terrorist, let him be terrorist. If he just does such a wonderful job, you find out one of your CM who has done so much a job.
Sir, that is fine, but are you going to deny? Just a second. Just a second, sir. Can you deny that in 2017, there is a member of the Aam Aadmi Party, she even fought on an Aam Aadmi Party ticket. Gul Panag is on record saying there was a complete, and I quote, there was a complete misreading of the Punjab electorate by the Aam Aadmi Party, where they were reaching out, and I have said this multiple times, that in Punjab, the extreme right-wing faction, which is the right of right, has no takers. And the Aam Aadmi Party was hobnobbing with those people. This has been said by a member of the party.
Padmaja, first of all, past is past. You have any doubts? You have any evidences? You have any solid documents?
The simple question is, can you deny? So here's what happened. Kumar Vishwas spoke in 2022. It was asked, why is he speaking now? Then there is a video where he was saying the same thing in 2017 also. In an interview in 2019, he said the same thing he is saying today. Then today Arvind Kejriwal said that Kumar Vishwas is disgruntled, he is a Hasya Kavi, etc. Are you going to say same thing for Gul Panag also? Is she disgruntled? Is she a Hasya Kavi?
I'm only saying, if you have got any solid evidence, go for the inquiry, go for the investigation. Arvind Kejriwal,
yes, Sanju Verma, valid point. For 5 years, why has this issue been allowed to fester if indeed a sitting chief minister is encouraging separatist elements and is being funded? Let her answer then. Valid point you've raised. Why was a sitting chief minister allowed to hobnob with separatists? Just a second. Sanju Verma.
I can't even hear you, Padmaja. He's on and on and on. Okay. Padmaja, I will be very clear on this. I think there needs to be a probe because the allegations are very serious. The allegations are against a sitting chief minister. But the fact that Arvind Kejriwal has not covered himself in glory, given past instances where he has openly flirted with Khalistani elements, that is in the public domain. Now, before the inquiry takes a serious turn, for me to sit here in judgment would be very juvenile also. But I would just like to respond to Mr. Ravi Srivastava. He said which chief minister has done so much of work. So, Mr. Ravi Srivastava, let me remind you, Arvind Kejriwal is on record in a press conference saying, हमने पिछले कुछ सालों में 19,000 करोड़ से ज्यादा रुपए खर्चा किए हैं on health infrastructure. Tell me, name one super speciality hospital that Arvind Kejriwal...
We will talk about Delhi infrastructure at a later date, but I have to say there are two issues. One, where Kumar Vishwas and Gul Panag have spoken about possible links with extremist elements. But second, when it comes to the stay of Arvind Kejriwal at the house of one Gurinder Singh in Moga, I want to quote to you from an Indian Express report today morning. Behind terror charge thrown at AAP, the militant who never was. And it actually quotes the Punjab police, who very specifically in 2017 also said that Gurinder Singh actually was acquitted of all charges by the court of Punjab and Haryana. So that must be kept in mind as well. However, of allegations that have been made, there should be a greater clarification from Aam Aadmi Party. I'm going to leave it at that because I'm out of time. Thank you very much, Ravi Srivastava, Sanju Verma, for joining me. Thanks for watching.